How to find TikTok Shop promo code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find TikTok Shop promo code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply head over to the search bar and search for TikTok Shop promo code. And after you search for that, hit enter. And there you will see coupon follow. Tap on coupon follow to head over to its website, and after you head over to its website you will see a lot of different coupons available for TikTok Shop. So there you can see 45% off, 45% off, you can save $20, you can save 50% off, and even $100 off, even 70% off, which was previously available. But yeah, this is how you can find TikTok Shop's promo code. You can save up to 45% off and 50% off with cashback from up to $20 to $100. So yeah, that is how you find TikTok Shop promo code. From here, now you can choose any one of these promo codes, and after you choose that, you can copy the promo code as well. And that's how you find TikTok Shop promo codes, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.